Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this delicious oats banana chocolate muffin. I have added nuts also and it was really delicious. Do definitely try it. First roast oats for 2 to 3 minutes, then grind the roasted oats. Then take 2 bananas and half cup of sugar. Grind them, remove it to a bowl. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or regular vinegar, 1/4 cup of olive oil. Mix everything well and add the oats, grinded oats 1 cup, and mix it well. Preheat the oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degree centigrade. Now take half a cup of wheat flour, 2 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve everything well. Mix it well. Wheat flour we are adding so that it will give a good binding. Oats alone cannot make a good binding. And keep it thick. Okay, now add some crushed almond and walnut. Mix them well and add water 1/4 cup slowly. Do not make it very thin like cake batter, rather make it little thick. So 1/4 cup of water is enough, or you can also replace it with milk. Now mix everything well and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of condensed milk to give some extra flavor. Now grease your muffin trays. You can also add some liners if you have. I didn't have it, so I'm just adding it directly using the ice cream scooper. Half fill the muffin trays, and whichever is empty, just add some water in that and add some choco chips on the top and some oats on the top. Now bake it at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degree centigrade for 25 minutes. Now our baking is done. Check with the toothpick, it should come out clean. Cool down for 15 minutes. Now enjoy the muffins. This looks really delicious and taste was also very yummy. Definitely try it. If you want to make it healthy, you can make it with oats. Otherwise with wheat flour or maida also you can make it. So do definitely try it. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice day. See you.